Yes, good. And we'll see if we can, yes, good. Okay, so we've got that much done. You shut the door. I'm rewarding him through the side with food, which I need to refill. Good. I'm going to see how far we can get. Yes. Here, look up, silly. See? Good. Attaboy. See if we can get him closed. Good. Okay, he's giving me a stink eye, but he's being quiet. Okay, little growl and a little stink eye. Yes. Yes. Good. Oh, stop that. You're not getting anything for that. Good. Yes. Here. Let's see if we can latch without any stinkiness. Nope, not yet.